Hello, my name is Harley. Yes, like Harley Quinn. In case you don't know me, I am from the channel Akira Tatmak. We are a 4-in-1 group, cover artist group, and because we have DID, we're one person, but we're 4 different identities. And we each have our own kind of roles in our system, and we each have our own musical roles too. So for example, I'm kind of the lead dancer, choreographer, whatever, and I'm also one of the younger ones. But interestingly enough, I'm also an introject, which means I was formed, when I was formed in my head or in my mind, this is kind of hard to explain, but it's basically I thought I was Harley Quinn for a while, and I acted like her, and I felt really attached to her. And it took a little while, but eventually I realized I wasn't Harley Quinn, but I felt that I needed to be in order to deal with stuff in my life that I needed to deal with head on. So I find it interesting that now I'm a child, but yes, things change. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm going to watch some Harley Quinn clips and basically do some reactions and such to them. Now, I really hope that nobody on YouTube gets mad that I'm watching their stuff. I'm just wanting to react. I think it's fun. I love Harley Quinn stuff, and yeah. Now it's recording. Okay, there we go. Birds of Prey funniest moments? There's no sound on this. Why is there no sound? I spent 15 minutes on this. We're gonna do this very unprofessionally then. Instead of doing any fancy screen recording stuff, we're just gonna watch it on here. Sorry for my lack of positivity, I just really don't get what is happening here. So you're gonna watch it on here. Sorry to stop it right away, but I love that shot because there's a shot that's actually very similar in Suicide Squad, and this is Birds of Prey. But in Suicide Squad, there's a very similar shot of Harley Quinn's feet. She's in heels, but it slowly goes up her legs, with a male gaze sort of a thing. But here, it's not male gaze, it's just following in a sort of epic look. And they're not heels either, they're like shoes that are fun for a woman to wear. So I just like that they don't linger on her legs or anything like that, and the shoes are, comfortable. So anyway.
Can I help you?
Why, yes, you can. I'm here to report a terrible crime.
And what terrible crime is that?
This one.
This one?
Damn, you break the glasses. Oh, I love her hair. Oh man, and her outfit. Oh, danger, the background. How do you not notice? How do you not notice her walk in? She steals all the attention.
Meeting's over.
I love how colorful this scene is too. I'm like, damn. Walking in with the pink and blue behind her, matching her hair and everything. And the over the shoulder, yes! Oh, hit him there twice. Oh, foot behind the neck, yes. Oh. She likes to break guys' legs in this movie.
Run, Piggy, run!
Can't imagine how fun it must have been for Margot Robbie to play.
Where can I find Cassandra Cain?
as Harley.
Still 7.
What was that gonna show us the fight in the shower scene? I mean, not the shower scene, but the. This is me at my computer. Just pressing a bunch of buttons and it just goes no. Oh, and the music track. Going into Halsey's experiment on me. I absolutely love the soundtrack for Birds of Prey. She just like, not looking for you, sorry. Don't even let him speak. That's right. Too many characters are just like, let the people monologue. No way. No way. Yes, wrestler moves. And yes, this is so beautiful. She's like, I don't think so. And bam, right at the ankle. Birds of Prey. We'll go with Birds of Prey funniest moments. Sorry, I was skipping.
She has the murder stuff down, but the rest, do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? Still a work in progress.
At least she doesn't stutter. I stutter. I love Harley's earrings and her necklace.
Here,
Just her whole look.
I can't give it to you.
Why not? Cause I ate it, okay?
Looks at the camera.
And he happens to be the only person who actually cares about me.
Aw.
I do.
Yes, you do.
Ultimate betrayal later.
You have?
Not a good day.
What did I do to you?
Well, stop. You're gonna do that thing where you open up a weird-ass case of torture devices while inexplicably detailing your master plan and how I am fitted.
I forgot also, love how she incorporates, I mean, it's in Harley's character that's been shown actually throughout her whole character, usually, like in the cartoons and even in the recent stuff, showing how she incorporates her psychology knowledge and knowledge of like people into her stuff. Even though she is insane, she is smart. So I love that.
Seriously, you don't have to, really. You're building a criminal empire because Daddy kicked you out of Janus Court, and you think this is a big fuck you, but in actuality, it's a very misguided attempt to win back his respect. I get it. You're really not as complicated as you think.
Inspirational music and everything leading up to this.
No. Not at all.
Fucking dead. Chestnuts. I can't believe you took it all.
Hey, nice. What the hell is up with this bow and arrow?
It's not a fucking bow and arrow. It's a crossbow, not 12.
I love this chick. She's got rage issues.
I don't have rage issues.
I hope there's more Birds of Prey. Like really. Is that Sophia Carson and that rough one hat? Sorry. Okay. What was I saying? Oh, I hope there's more Birds of Prey movies. I really do. I want to see more of them. I think this is enough for now. Let's keep this short. So, thank you for watching, and if you'd like to see more kind of some DID related stuff-ish, kind of interwoven mostly into the way we do cover songs, and even a few of our own original songs, then please subscribe to our channel and give our music a bit of a listen. And yeah, so thank you. Bye.